Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off autoplay next episode. First let me open Netflix app. In Netflix TV app, you could not find an option to turn off autoplay next episode. So you have to install Netflix app in your mobile phone. So let me open this Netflix app in mobile phone. Then you have to log into same account. Then select your profile. Then tap on this My Netflix icon over here. Then tap on these three lines on top right corner. Tap on Manage Profiles. Then again select your profile. Go down. Here you can see Autoplay Next Episode. Here we can turn on or off Autoplay Next Episode. The changes which you are making here, it will reflect in your TV app also. So that way we can turn on or off Autoplay Next Episode. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.